to be more fun, I can tell you guys right away. So it's also just the population score. It's called Videokid. Videokid. Our today's list of games is not that good, I'm sorry. But they must be played as well. Beepity beepity boopy. Game is horrible controls. Please, why is this game so shit? That's a horrible shmup.
No sweat.
No sweat, yeah. Let's go.
Well done.
Thank you. That's a lot of points. It's gone, Videokid. Now we have better weapon. No one knows because we don't even see enemies spawning in this game. Oh, this was an upgrade. Oh wow, they all...
No sweat.
No sweat, yeah, I'm not sweating. They don't do much, do they? Hmm.
Well done.
You say you never played it, Chiro? Keep it that way. You're not missing out. If you don't play it, you're not missing out, trust me. This is hideous. Thanks to you, check out no more Amiga games. Anyway, the database of games is so huge, so many titles. I've been playing through the whole database for now. But there's still many games I want to add that are still missing. So this is just like my beginning of the journey. Great, he would bulge out of there. Like that? Okay, cool. This game is so weird. But I'm glad you're liking it. What? Where did they come? Oh, you just don't even see them because the game is awful. This run is over soon, which is a good thing. Okay, cool. Okay. I can touch it, but nothing will happen. That's fine. Some games just should have never been released. So many titles. Didn't know so many games before that? Okay, 49,300. We take it and leave the game. 49,300. Please never make me play this game.